Are we all done? Then let's clean it up.
Everywhere you go, everything has a home. Clean it up before you go. Playing with the blocks out the box. Where do they go? In the box. All done playing, put them back slow. Clean it up before you go. Painting at the table, paint everywhere. Pushing your what? Pushing your chair. Wipe off the table, wash off the show. Clean it up before you go. Oh, pick it up, everybody pick it up. Pick it up, everybody pick it up. Everywhere you go, everything has a home. At home, at school, at the park, on the road. Everywhere you go, everything has a home. Clean it up before you go. Eatin on the bench, wrapper in your hand. Where does it go? In the can. Sand in the bucket in a row.